Hi and welcome along to the channel. We have a new project car for the channel and it's under this cover here. So if you're new here, this is going to make some great content. So let's uncover it and we'll see if you can tell what it is as I start to pull some of this cover off. Do you know what this is? There's a bit more of it. Yeah, the front bumper's not on it at the moment. I took that off. So, do you know what this is? This is a Mark 3 Ford Escort. There's a little bit more of it. And this is my new project. And you're going to get to see a lot more of this on the channel in the forthcoming episodes. And there she is. Focus. There we go. This is a Escort Mark 3 special edition. This is a 1985 C-Reg Escort Mark 3 1600i. This is not the turbo, although it is a special edition, so it comes with the body kit and has inside the recaro seats, the recaro steering wheel. And there's the other recaro seat, which I'm currently in the middle of repairing. And there's the convertible, and there she is from the back. So let's put the cover down there and we'll come around to the front. So far I've already done a bit of work on this. I've pulled the bumper off because I'll put a picture in here so you can see what the bumper looked like. Needed a bit of work. Just pop this bonnet up and have a look around. So here it is, 1.6 CVH Ford, standard Ford CVH engine. Pretty standard under here. This has had new wings, new front cross member, and some other panels fitted a little while ago, and whoever did it didn't prep for paintwork before they painted this. So as you can see, it's lost a lot of its top coat of paint. This engine here is the original engine. It's only done 54,000 miles on a car that's 35 years old. Runs very well. Has a full exhaust system except for an exhaust manifold. We'll go through the modifications in a minute we are going to be doing to this car. As you can see, the front splitter needs a bit of attention. It's I have got the tow-away cover that's in the back. This car is going to be getting fully restored front to back. All the kit's coming off, the front lip's coming off, as I've already got the bumper off. This evening I'm going to take the headlights and the grille off, and I'm probably going to just prep this up and give it a quick repaint because it looks horrific, like I hate it. So I'm going to give that a paint. This is this is not the original grille, it shouldn't be chrome. I'm going to take the chrome off. I had to get a different grille because I put a picture, you'll see what it looked like. It had the wrong grille in it, it looked horrible. So let's come around to the inside. I'm doing quite a bit of work on this already. I've only had it a week. Alright, and then let's jump inside. So here she is. So it's got Series 1 RS Turbo door cards in it. Series 1 RS Turbo seats. Steering wheel. That's the grille that was in it. And just not my cup of tea. That's the other door card. It's a spare rear light gasket. Right. Typical Mark III dashboard. A couple of cracks in the top, but nothing too bad on this one. So yeah, just the top of the dash up there's cracked, which we will be repairing. I've recently fixed the speaker covers here, repainted them. Wanted this side trim out here. I just need to put the screws back in it. The screws aren't in there at the moment. I had to drill out and tap a thread into this screw here because that snapped off. So that's what I've just done. That's what the tap sets there. So you can see there's a seat missing, and here it is. I've stripped this down, I've fixed it. There is a video on that coming out very soon. It's got the Series 1 seats in the back. The roof's in very good condition. The whole car needs a clean. It's just a bit old, but it's not too bad considering it's 35 years old. Like I say, 54,000 miles, and that's genuine. I've got loads of old MOTs and stuff to back that up. And then as we come across the car, I've got these 14-inch RS wheels on it, which I've got a set of 16-inch wheels that I will be putting on there. The car is already, I can't see it from under, the car's lowered anyway. It's on different suspension. It's got the exhaust on there and the spoiler. Right, so start at the front. There's a new steering linkage there, I've already got that to go in it. So what we're going to be doing with this car, stripping down all the engine bay. We're going for a smoothed engine bay, so washer bottles disappearing, the coil will be hidden around the back of the engine, the battery's disappearing. We're getting rid of the air intake up here. I'm taking the heaters out of it, it's a summer car, I don't care. So the heater and everything will be coming out of it, so that's going smooth. The wiper motor's coming out. The fuse box there will be going inside the car, and that'll be getting smoothed. All the wiring running around the engine bay will all be taken out and hidden. This engine is being kept in here, keeping it CVH 1.6. I've already got an aftermarket manifold coming for this, so I'll have a full exhaust system. This is the K-Tronic MFI injection system. All of this is coming out, and bike carbs are going on there. So you'll see a set of bike carbs replacing everything that's here at the moment. And there's a lot of fuel injection system in this car. It covers everything over there, all the way around to there. So all of that will be coming out, and you'll just have a set of carbs up there. So that'll be the bike carbs, exhaust manifold, light and flywheel. I'm going to polish and port the head. We're going to skim the head, up the compression. It's had a new clutch in it not that long ago, so the clutch should be fine for what we're doing. Then round to the outside. All the bodywork's getting sorted out. I'm doing that at the moment. The wheels, I've got a set of 16-inch Focus mk3 wheels that are going to go on here. They look really nice, flat face, 16-inch wheel. I'll have a look at the suspension when we get that all out, and we'll see what we're going to do with this suspension. So it's going to have some nice 16s on it. Might lower it a little bit more. So the engine bay is getting super tidied, super clean, nice performance mods. That's a quick shift out of a street car that's going in here, because the one that's in here is super sloppy at the moment. So that's going to get super sorted up. The roof just needs a little bit of attention, just a bit of tightening up here and there. Interior wise, it's just going to get cleaned up, sorted out, fix the seat. Once that seat's all put back together and in, then I'll be taking this one out, cleaning this all and fixing this seat up and putting this back in. Just fixing things like the side bolsters where they've gone a bit funny and stuff like that. Just get all the interior back together. I've got everything here for it. It's just a case of putting it all back in. And that's about it really. The interior is going to be super simple, original OEM. I might put some electric windows in it. I've got central door locking kit coming for this car. I've got a total closure remote start alarm coming. I've already got, I've just got to fit it. So the car will have a remote start, immobiliser, alarm, all the fun and games that you have with a top spec alarm. So that'll be coming. There's the cover for the back, which is a white cover. And yeah, the inside's already got some nice Phoenix Gold audio in here, Pioneer head unit. It's got some Sony speakers in the front. I will be doing an install, but that's a long way down the road yet. My background is car audio and alarm systems, and I am a auto electrician by trade, so we will be sorting out all the electrics. I've got this pocket out here because I was trying to trace what this relay here was for, and just chasing relays, and fitted some other bits and sorted out the steering column, and I've already done loads of bits to this since I've had it. So but yes, there we go. Focus, damn thing. That's the new project car for the channel. So if you like your escorts, then subscribe, and yeah, just keep watching, because there will be a lot more content coming out on this car as the year goes on. And like I say, I've already filmed a bit already. So yeah, hope you like this video. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys.